Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so the reset goes smoothly. Back up your photos, contacts, and app data to Google Drive or a PC and make sure battery is above 50%. Once done, unlock the phone and open Settings. Tap System, then Reset Options. This is where you choose the type of reset. Make sure you know your Google account credentials and device PIN because you will need them to confirm and reactivate the device after the reset completes. Next, perform the reset step by step. In Reset Options, choose Erase All Data or Factory Reset. This clears system settings and apps, but not always external SD content. You will be prompted to enter your PIN or password, confirm the action, and accept that data will be erased. The phone will reboot and show a progress screen. Leave it alone and avoid pressing buttons. If you prefer, remove the SD card beforehand to keep files safe. Otherwise, when the reset finishes, you will go through the initial setup wizard. Sign into your Google account to restore backups and reconfigure system settings like Wi-Fi, accounts, and screen lock. Make sure to install any system updates and reauthorize apps. If the phone gets stuck during reset or won't boot, power off and boot into recovery mode. From there, wipe cache or repeat factory reset. If problems persist, note any error messages and contact support, but usually recovery wipe clears stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.